Good morning, respected session chair and distinguished participants. My name is Eran Astuti from Bina Nusantara University, Indonesia. Today, I'm pleased to present our research entitled From Climate Smart Agriculture to Digital Climate Smart Agriculture, Bibliometric Review and Conceptual Framework. This research was conducted together with my co-author from Widyatama University, Professor Sri Astuti Pratminingsih. Climate change has become one of the greatest challenges for agriculture. Climate Smart Agriculture, or CSA, was introduced to improve productivity, strengthen resilience, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. However, agriculture is now entering the digital era, where digital technology transforming conventional CSA into digital CSA. The problem is that previous studies mainly did not explain how CSA knowledge evolves into digital CSA and also lack an integrated socio-technical perspective. Therefore, our study has four objectives. The first one is mapping the current intellectual structure of CSA research. The second, predict future research direction of CSA research. And the third is explain the conceptual evolution toward digital CSA. And fourth, propose a conceptual framework from an information system perspective. To achieve these objectives, we conducted the study using the bibliometric review, referring to Zupik and Keter, and then to 2020, with 10 stages starting from establish the research objectives until interpret the theme from the network. As the findings from the descriptive analysis, research on digital CSA has increased significantly in recent years, indicating growing scientific interest in CSA research. If you can see from the country or territory, India leads in CSA research output, followed by United States and China. From the subject area, research spans multidisciplines with environmental science, agricultural science, and social science as the leading subject area. Okay. Second findings. From the bibliographic coupling reveals four major knowledge domains. The first cluster, red clusters, emphasize about the institutional support for the adoption and expansion of CSA. The second cluster, green cluster, emphasize about the benefits and challenge of CSA practices for adaptations and resilience of agricultural systems. The third cluster, blue cluster, emphasize climate smart agriculture from adoption, impacts, and implication for sustainable development. The fourth cluster, the decision-making architecture in CSA implementation. From the cohort analysis, we have the third findings. The cohort analysis, which future research direction will focus on the first theme, adopting CSA for smallholder farmers. The second themes, integration of digital technologies and CSA practices for sustainable agriculture. And the third themes is will focus on the role of agricultural actors in land management to address climate change. Furthermore, we synthesize the results of bibliographic coupling and cohort analysis into the evolution of CSA towards digital CSA. And the second novelty, layered conceptual architecture of digital CSA. Our first novelty is about the evolution of CSA toward digital CSA. As we can see, there are 5 phases in evolution toward digital CSA. This proposed framework consists of 5 interconnected phases. It begins with decision architecture to guide planning and strategic decision making, followed by institutional support that provides governance, policy, finance, and stakeholder collaboration. The third phase emphasizes climate-smart agriculture's adoptions, which is influenced by farmers' socio-economic and behavioral factors. This followed by digital climate-smart agricultures, where AI, IoT, remote sensing, machine learning, and precision agriculture enhance agriculture's performance and resilience. The key novelty lies in the final phase, which conceptualizes digital CSA as a socio-technical information system, integrating governance, intelligence, technology, and stakeholders into a unified framework. Our second novelty is conceptual framework. We propose a layered conceptual architecture of digital CSA, consists of four interconnected layers: governance, intelligence, technology, and stakeholders. The proposed socio-technical architecture consists of four integrated layers. The governance layers provide institutional support through policies, regulations, finance, and stakeholder collaborations. The intelligence layer transforms agricultural data into evidence-based decision using analytics and decision support system. The technology layer enables digital operation through AI, IoT, machine learning, remote sensing, and cloud computing. Finally, the stakeholders layer emphasizes collaboration among farmers, governments, researchers, extension officers, and agribusinesses. Together, these four layers drive higher CSA adoptions, stronger climate resilience, more sustainable agriculture, and improved food security, also greater contribution to the Sustainable Development Goals. Our novelty consists of two conceptual artifacts. First, the conceptual evolution toward digital CSA, and second, the layered conceptual architecture of digital CSA. This contribution explains the transition from adaptation-oriented CSA to an integrated digital ecosystem. Theoretically, this study contributes conceptually, methodologically, and from an information system perspective. And practically, the framework can support governments, policymakers, researchers, technology developers, and agribusinesses in designing AI-enabled and data-driven agriculture systems. This study is limited to Scopus indexed journal articles and bibliometric analysis using bibliographic coupling and cohort analysis only. Future studies should empirically validate this conceptual framework using case studies, surveys, or system implementation. As the conclusion, this study demonstrates that CSA is evolving into digital CSA, and bibliographic coupling identified four knowledge domains, and cohort analysis revealed emerging research direction, three emerging research directions. Our proposed framework integrates governance, intelligence, technology, and stakeholders into a unified socio-technical system. This is our novelty. It's about conceptual evolution and layer conceptual architecture of digital CSA. Thank you. We hope this framework provides useful foundation for future research and digital agriculture transformations. I would be very happy to answer any questions. Thank you.